father and
listen to
give
it.
him some education, but here don't make noise in my
Have you got no shame that you're stupid? I've got to go to his mother. You need to call the police and let them listen to you.
Yes, I will call him because
they'll put you in an asylum. I've got to go to his mother. You don't know my rights. I've got rights to peace and quiet.
Those human rights.
Yeah. Yeah. You think you're talking to a fool. I'm the educated one. Don't tell me my rights.
16.
Don't tell me my rights. Call the police and we'll find out my rights. Oh, listen to it. I'll just ignore you.